Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Rajasthan today. There's a lot of significance that is being attached to this visit. It comes days after the government declared the success of Operation Sindoor. Now, he will be visiting Bikaner. Remember, Bikaner is the region that Pakistan had tried to target. There are multiple areas in Rajasthan that had been targeted by Pakistan in the aftermath of India's retaliatory strikes. And the Prime Minister will begin his day with a spiritual stop. He will first offer prayers at the revered Karni Mata temple in Deshnok. After the visit, the message of the visit is also very strategic because the Prime Minister will be launching projects worth 26,000 crore rupees focused heavily on connectivity, infrastructure, as well as border zone mobility. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Sabyasachi, there are multiple messages that the Prime Minister is giving out with this visit to Rajasthan. First, of course, he is going to be visiting a temple. Pakistan very clearly was targeting several religious sites. The Prime Minister starting the day with a temple visit, and he is also visiting Rajasthan. This is the same location that Pakistan had attempted to hit multiple times but failed. Take us through what the itinerary of the Prime Minister is like and the messaging behind it.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will land at the Nal Air Base here in Bikaner at around 9:30, where he's likely to interact with our armed forces after the success of Operation Sindoor. See, Nal Base is very much important because Pakistan, in their fake narrative, had claimed that they had attacked Nal Base, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message from the Nal Base will be straight to Pakistan, because earlier we had seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with our armed forces at the Adampur Air Base in Punjab. And after that, at around 11 a.m., he will visit the Karni Mata temple. Now, the Karni Mata temple holds a lot of significance here in Bikaner. Thousands of devotees from different places across the country visit the Karni Mata temple. Now, after that, he will be visiting the Deshnok railway station. Now, the Deshnok railway station has adorned a complete new look under the Amrit Bharat station scheme. Total 103 stations across the country in 86 districts in 18 states have been redeveloped by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it is a complete look. Now, what will be interesting to note is that within the Deshnok railway station, there has been a photo gallery which has been set up by the Ministry of Railways to pay tribute to our armed forces who have sacrificed their life for saving the integrity and sovereignty of our country. Now, after that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing a Jan Sabha, where he would be announcing the several projects, key projects for the state of Rajasthan worth of 26,000 crores. So a lot of plans are here for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the entire Bikaner will be present at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Jan Sabha, where he's likely to address the key infrastructure messages to the country, as well as send out a strong message to the Pakistan and the fake narrative that Pakistan has been trying to create.
Okay, all right. So the Prime Minister is also going to be inaugurating several projects, virtually launching 103 Amrit Bharat railway stations across 18 states, including 8 in Rajasthan. A new Bikaner to Mumbai express train will also be flagged off, boosting connectivity between the border as well as the financial capital. The road and rail projects are at the heart of today's visit. 7 major road projects worth 4,850 crore rupees, many stretching up to the Indo-Pak border, are also going to be unveiled. So, Sabyasachi, the focus is also going to be on infrastructure along the border areas with a hostile neighbor. The Prime Minister's focus is also not just going to be on the messaging, but also ensuring that infrastructure is built up along the way.
Well, that's right. See, the focus will be on the rail infrastructure, as well as the focus would be on the road connectivity. And that is the reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be flagging off a direct train from Bikaner to Mumbai, and also laying project worth of 26,000 crores in the state of Rajasthan. See, this would be Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first visit in the border region of Rajasthan after the Pahalgam attack, after the success of Operation Sindoor, where we have decisively struck down the terror camps of Pakistan, and after Pakistan escalated and targeted our civilian areas, and we have retaliated strongly by destroying their air bases. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be boosting the economy as well as the infrastructure of the border state of Rajasthan, announcing different key projects which in the coming days will be extremely crucial for the border state of Rajasthan and its people.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. So the Prime Minister is going to be visiting Bikaner in Rajasthan. We just told you what the itinerary of the Prime Minister is going to be like, and it's a very significant messaging behind it as well. Clear message to Pakistan, because this was one of the areas that Pakistan claimed that it had hit. No impact whatsoever, and the Prime Minister's visit is going to underline the same. In fact, the Prime Minister is going to start the day by visiting the Karni Mata temple.